Meaning of encompass.
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 Encompass. Encompass means to surround or include something completely. Imagine a big circle that surrounds an object, person, or idea entirely. When we say something is encompassed, it means it's completely covered or included within that circle. For example, a comprehensive plan might encompass every aspect of a project, including details that may have been overlooked by others. Encompassing something fully ensures that nothing is left out and all aspects are taken into consideration, resulting in a complete and thorough understanding or approach to the matter at hand.